Hi everyone, this is for 614 batch. 614 batch students, today many students are absent to the class. So I'm very much concerned about this. So please make sure you are going to regularly attend the live session and regularly practice it. And there are some students I know who are just going through the videos. I'm not talking about those, but people who are supposed to attend regular classes, many students have missed today's session. I'm not very much sure what is the reason. Because of Monday, some people are a bit lazy and they are not able to make it, I believe. But this is not acceptable from my end personally. So I recommend and I request all of you, please be regular to the class. That's the first thing. Be punctual and be regular to the class, then only you can win. And when you are not going to attend the session, when you are absent, you might have to inform me by sending a WhatsApp message. Even many people, they have not done that today. And this is really a kind of disappointment for me to see only few students in the class. Please do not repeat this. Daily attend the class without any deviations or absence. Okay, thank you.